In this example, you will learn how to export the coordinates of ground anchors. I already prepared a small example with an anchored soldier pile wall. To export the coordinates, let us start the Export PythonPart Coordinates command. Now let us select all the ground anchors. After defining the file name and saving the file, the export is finished. We can now open the exported Excel file to check out the result. As you can see, the name of the macro and the coordinates were successfully exported. The unit used for the export is equal to the current unit used in our plan. In this case, meters.